So, we're done with our tree planting activity and we're now going back. We're now going back to the nursery station of DNR. So, it was really a great opportunity for us to be helpful for our Mother Nature. Hey guys, how do you feel now?
Shout out.
Of course, ang popogi ng mga employees namin ng satellite office. Oh. Oh ha? Oh ha? Ayan. Oh ha? Yeah. Thank you so much for participating to our Axie team. Okay. How can I? I'm vlogging, you know. Yeah.
Yeah, we would like to thank our...
We would like to thank, of course, our escorts from the Philippine Military Academy. The very handsome guys.
Sir Limbaga
Uh-huh.
and Sir Molina.
Molina, thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right, bye-bye.
Like and subscribe. Yeah.
Don't forget to like and subscribe Just for Wonder on YouTube.
Nick Scally!
Nick Scally, thank you so much.
Number 1 supporter mo kami, sir.
Brilliant yung mukha namin sa tibet ng ingay.
Sir Jesper.
Ah,
Iyaman ka na talaga sa rain. Kasi sunod siya
Diyos ko.
ka na.
270 pa lang ang subscriber ko. Kailangan ko pa ng madami. Kaya ako maka 1K.
Ang nag-subscribe na ako.
Yeah.
Ako, sir.
So for those who have not subscribed yet,
Subscribe!
subscribe! Subscribe na! Sir, kumusta naman po ang ano?
Okay po.
Nag-enjoy po ba kayong kasama kami?
Sobrang saya.
Sobrang saya. May asawa ka na, sir? Wala pa. Oh. So, para po dun sa mga... Pero may girlfriend.
Meron po.
Meron. Pero kung gusto nyo agawin, di pa naman kasal, kayo na bahala. Thank you.
Sige po.
Ay, nako. Ay. Nakakapagod magtanim, pero masarap sa pakiramdam. Di ba, Jarlo?
Oo, sobra. Nature.
Nature, yes.
Magtanim para sa kalikasan.
Tama.
Sir Jess, salika. 1, 2, 3.
Ano naman yung mga paapaan nyo na mapuputik yung paang yan?
Vlogger kasi yung kasama namin.
Di ba? So how do you feel, guys? You were able to help our Mother Nature? Refresh.
I'm feeling so
motherly. Kala ko amoy panis.
Motherly. Din na! Hindi mo binigyan ng Birds of Paradise.
Eto na, paakyat na kami, pabalik sa nursery station ng DNR. So, if you're going to ask me how I feel about it, I feel so tired, fulfilled, and of course, refreshed. So,
Dali mo hanggang uptown mo. Pag ano tayo mamaya.
Siya magtuturo ng daan.
kaya ang mga lola at lolo nyo, Tom Jones na. Kakain na kami. See you later!